Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for FET price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis starting on the daily chart for the overview scenarios bullish and bearish and what to expect of course in an overview. And of course, as we know, the bullish scenarios are dominant on the chart of FET. We are very bullish from this area. The blue box of opportunity, of course, we are expecting whatever it happens in this area, we gonna move toward the upside. And I'm gonna explain exactly why. So we have first WXY, three waves toward the upside, three waves down, already very close to finish, and moving toward the upside with five waves up, or anyway, any other structure toward the upside. If we are in a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, very beautiful leading diagonal, your wave 4 is in a perfect shape and still, of course, shorter than your wave 2 and still looking for a wave 5. Very nice target in confluence. Again, with this third scenario, which is, of course, a big wave 1, 2 here and potential double 1, 2s here, and then looking for a massive wave 3 toward the upside. And this scenario, of course, is very potential as well. Unless we take the 886 0.23, this scenario will be invalidated, of course, once we reach the 0.23. Because, of course, this 0.886 is taken from the wave 1 here, and ABC, yeah, wave 2, preferably not taking the 886. A bigger scenario can be, of course, unfolding as bearish as well, which is a longer wave 2 toward the downside. You would like to take the low here as a big wave 1, a B, and a C expanding flat toward the downside. Hopefully not, of course, but still a scenario and still far scenario. Another bearish scenario can be, of course, a wave A from here. You're looking for a wave B and also a wave C toward the downside, of course, again impulsively, where you would like to see 1 2 1 2 3 4 5 4 5, which is a very far possibility. And just by taking a look, of course, at a finished impulse in this area, if we have finished, of course, 1 2 3 4 5 here, meaning you're looking for double 1 2s, meaning anyway you still look for a wave 2 rebound toward the upside. It's the same as for the last scenario. If we are even moving for a lower here as a 3 wave up, 3 wave down, and you're looking for a bigger correction somehow, 3 waves up and down, meaning those 3 waves up is a rebound as well toward the upside. Again, in all case scenarios, this area, of course, is a bullish opportunity. Of course, it's gonna need time, guys. You have to be patient. Of course, there is nothing bullish directly, and this is the psychology of the market when, of course, it tests your patience as well. And don't forget this. So you need, of course, to be patient. Don't forget that we need time to make a range here, even a bullish range, and then moving toward the upside. So don't expect before mid of April, 1st of May to move toward the upside. Yeah, this is the idea. Now let's move inside this wave to see what's going on in the 4-hour chart. On the 4-hour chart, we are looking at this A, B, and a C toward the downside. Currently, we are in a wave C. And this wave C has to be an impulse normally, which it can be 1, 2, and then 3, 4, and a 5, right? So let's move inside this wave C to check what's going on. So we have, of course, two possibilities because, you know, it can turn into W, X, and a Y as well, meaning you would like to finish here in 3 wave structure, A, B, and a C. However, because this 3 wavy shape here, it is possible that we are in a wave A, B, and a C. Your wave C is a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. As you know, we are currently in a wave 5. This wave 5, let's zoom in inside it to check a clearer view what's going on. We have labeled it lately, of course, as 1, 2, 1, 2, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For your wave 3 here, finished in the white as 1, 2, 3. You finished wave 4 perfectly as expected, right? And we're looking right now for a wave 5 towards the downside. With this wave 5, you're gonna finish a wave 3 for the 1, 2, right? And then 3, 4, and a 5. With this scenario, you're gonna finish an impulse wave 5, a very extended wave 5 as you might see. And we might, of course, start to move for higher, starting, of course, from this area. Now, it's not necessarily, of course, that we move so far. Now, this fib level, of course, 0.618 is a, I would say, yeah, it's a fib level taken from the wave 1 here, based on your wave 3, giving us the 0.618 potential, of course, that we hit this area as a wave 3. I know it sounds very low. However, in another potential fib level here is your wave 3 as an impulse where you would like, yeah, already reached anyway. Yeah, so, but potentially 2.618 as next, because if you are in a wave 1, 2, and 3, not finished yet, your wave 3 is in confluence, in a perfect confluence, right, as you can see with the 2.618. Meaning, yeah, high possibility a little bit to get a very sharp move toward the downside, so don't get a surprise about it. We are still, of course, inside our blue box, and potentially moving for higher and then one more low towards the downside. The final low should be, of course, very shallow. Yeah. And taking the low, of course, one more time, potentially, of course, getting out of the blue box a little bit, but still, of course, around the area. Whatever it happens, again, guys, whatever it happens, let me remove this blue box anyway. Whatever it happens in this area, we are bullish. Yeah, whatever it happens. Don't forget, we still have some waves. I mean, okay, yeah, the wave is extending. Unfortunately, is extending in price, but still inside this area. And don't forget that we still need, even when we finish 4-5 here, we still need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, ABC continuation towards the upside for bullish. Yeah, and all of this to happen, it's gonna take time, guys. Until May, yeah, until May, I would say. I do not expect the very bullish scenario to unfold. Yeah. Now, even worst case scenario, if this is a wave 1, 2 here, and we're looking for a finished wave 3, because this is 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. If your wave 3 is finished here in this area, let me clean up a little bit. Okay. If your wave 3 is finished exactly in this area, that would mean that you might still looking for one more wave 4-5. Yeah. By all means, if this rather than 3 waves, which is highest possibility, if it is wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, meaning with this 4-5, guys, as a wave C, it's gonna invalidate, of course, the double 1-2 scenario, yeah, at 0.886. Yeah. And of course, it is very, very low. Hopefully not. Hopefully not. But imagine, even if with this happen, even if this happens, your bullish scenario is still dominant. Yeah. Your leading diagonal still on 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Very nice leading diagonal still. Your WXY, 3 waves down, still on for move towards the upside. Meaning, yeah, I mean, how much low is gonna go? Yeah, how much deep it's still gonna go? I even doubt that it's gonna take one more leg. Yeah, I think that it's gonna move a little bit more sharper like this, but it's gonna start to make a range here and then moving toward the upside. Hopefully, we don't get out of the 0.786. However, even if we get out of it, you're still in the range of bullish scenarios. Yeah. Only one scenario is invalidated at the 886 here, which is the double 1-2 with a bigger 1-2 here. And then, okay, because this is anyway a very huge scenario. It's a very huge wave 3 towards the upside, guys. Yeah. And then you have triple 4-5s, yeah, because you have triple 1-2s here. Yeah. Let's take a look also on KGT for FET. Very nice. As you can see on KGT, we are very close for a divergence on the 3-minute chart, meaning bullish. Let's see, here we go. Okay, we still need some strength. Now the strength of the signal is still 285. We have some compression or pressure from the bearish signals here, as you can see, conversions. but higher possibility that the more you move low, the higher possibility it becomes bullish. I mean, what's going on here? To be honest, this is very bullish. Do we have a bullish formation? Okay, let's stay with Elliott wave. However, KGT looks very bullish, guys. Yeah. Why I see it very bullish? Because your wave, your signal here is given at 280, already in divergence. And if we move, how much is gonna move here? This signal is gonna be very, very strong at 500 definitely before taking the low. So definitely is what I mean. We're not gonna take the low potentially on KGT. This is what KGT says right now. But what is the scenario? I mean, this scenario, I didn't saw it as Elliott wave, so I prefer just to check it again, guys. Do we have any impulsive waves here? Okay, interesting. 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Truncated wave 5. Okay, we have to watch, guys. Okay, that is a weird thing here, but potentially, I mean, it can be potentially you might have even a leading diagonal as a truncated wave 5. And that because, of course, KGT. I'm gonna give this a low possibility, guys, but the possibility is there just because KGT is very bullish. Okay, I don't know why, but we're gonna re-estimate. But this signal is gonna appear sooner or later. And the price action is so far from the low, meaning a very huge divergence. Yeah, when we have a huge divergence like this, meaning it's a huge wave toward the upside. We're gonna watch FET, guys. Remind me, of course, if something unfolds before taking the low. Yeah, if you see a signal a little bit toward the upside, I'm gonna put my alarm anyway as well, just to keep the things on. So let's put the alarm here. Okay. Okay. So we have to be careful, guys. I mean, I'm still Elliott wave, but trusting Elliott wave, of course. But I trust also KGT. I mean, I create this indicator. I know what does it mean. What is the scenario for WXY, WX, and a Y? But the Y is very, very small. Okay, guys, I'm not gonna take longer time. Don't forget also on X, there are some update for today. There is AAVE and NEO already updated today. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye-bye.